guys. We're out here grilling. So I figured, no time like the present to try this grill out on a track. I'm not sure how the battery is on it. The same one we did the speed run with. They're Genix, so they last forever anyway. So. But speak the music. Probably gonna get a copyright strike. Oh. Can't listen to music. Can't listen to music. Could be fun. Feels like my head is a little goofy. Steering's backwards. Throttles.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no money. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always
seeing what I'm seeing?
Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror.
Yeah, it's definitely track worthy. Oh yeah. Ooh, don't. I'm digging it. Digging it already. One thing about these two wheels, man, they like wheelies. I knew. You can't be over in here. I'm gonna have to do something so I can run over here a little bit. So this is the LOSi. It's got my upgrade, my brushless 24. I'm not sure if it's 2435. I thought I bought the 2435. According to link, it's 2435, but the box is 2450. Or so I'm not sure. Who the heck knows? But it's really quiet. I dig it. Cool little cars, man, and they are fun. So our speed was 27 miles an hour with this thing. It's interesting to see the track comparison compared to because it's so much smaller, I can get speeds higher than I can the holiday buggy. Yeah, that's nice. Ow! I dig it. Now this is definitely a backpacker. I dig it. Ugh, that was weird. It didn't turn at all. Oh, this thing can hop. To have a good time. Oh no. Ha. 80s, baby. Poor kids nowadays missed out. Hauling though. I'm feeling off lately. World's a little tense. I haven't had any track time. I'm amidst projects and delayed because of things and stuff. You know how that stuff gets to you after a while. You got limited. You got budgets and time schedules to keep. I'm sure Jason knows all about that, right? I wonder where you've been lately there. Jason. 419 crawlers. That's what I'm talking about. Anyways. Rolling. Good little rig. Love it. Now, if you look back at my old videos, even 3 months ago, I was such a new. Oh, I love those little hop ups. Run forever. These Regenix batteries are sweet. Did you guys just see that? I hope I got that. That was sweet. That's stuff you can't do in a speed run. But I love that speed. I think I need a couple of these. I only got one right now, and you know how I like buying two so Lauren and I could play. I need to find another. Maybe I'll do a mini Z to go along with it, or a LCPG 2-wheel drive 16. Whoop. I don't know, what do you guys think? What would be a match with this pair? Because I need one for me and Lauren. Like I said, this was a fluke buy, and Lauren would get a kick out of this one. Man, that jump's nice. I really do like that setup. I think I'm going to leave that there. Come on. You see that, guys? So much control, so much throttle. I really do enjoy this car. I'm glad I got the brush. I didn't really enjoy it as a brush. I mean, I did, but it was half a car. I was using the wrong ESC, and granted it worked, but definitely couldn't do what I'm doing right now. Wife's making some good food tonight, man. It smells good. We don't get special dinners like this very often, so take advantage of it. Got a good woman on the grill. Good woman. Happy wife, happy life. Oh, anyway. Good stuff. I'm just glad I got this little part to work with. It's fine for all my little guys. Yeah, definitely put in the comments what kind of rig you think I should match with this. What would be a good, I mean, whichever one she wants, she gets, but like maybe the PG, I don't know, or the Mini Z. But I need a match for it. Because this one, remember, I got barn space, so I could make a track this big easy. Wintertime we can play with these little guys a lot more than we can play the big guys, so think about that now. Oh, I love doing that. I haven't seen my buddy Exclusive in a while. He hasn't made a video in a few weeks. Almost a month now, probably. Running makes me think about that. Ooh, did I just break the wing? I'm not trying to break stuff today. Well, had our first break on this. It's just a tab though. I gotta find another one. I think they make them. I'll look later. I'll take some time, not while I'm running. It'll work. dig it though. Anyways, hope you guys dig. I think it's almost dinner time. So time for me to put the toys away. Yeah, I'm definitely getting rid of the toys. I'm gonna put a piece of just like my buddy said, like, what are you doing the hole for? Yeah, I thought it was neat. For the skilled drivers, but I'm not a skilled driver, so. Anyways, like and subscribe and all that good jazz. Hope you guys dig the little before dinner rip. This is nice. I think I finally did one good. I dig it. Alright, see you when I see you.